Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ali Murtado. My cadet number 20.56.2063. I'm from Technical Charity Department. I want to explanation about safety at sea and the occurrence of unwanted work accident on ship. What do you think of safety of the sea and why emergency situation is very important? So, rock safety and emergency situation are very important. For this time, I want explanation about the explosion on the ship caused by failure of faulty operation of equipment by self-ignition caused by carelessness, wide open fire or smoking in a non-smoking are resulting in an explosion and a fire. And the solution of the explosion of the ship, and number 1, use 4-man out fight. Number 2, fire hydrant. Number 3, portable fire extinguisher. And number 4, fire alarm detector. And number 5, ESC, international shore connection. Stay away from the flames when putting out the fire. Okay? Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.